Hello and welcome to a new OutPower tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the concept of environments in the context of Microsoft PowerApps. We explain what environments are, how to create and manage them. Let's go see how we can do that, shall we? We start this tutorial by explaining what are environments in the context of Microsoft PowerApps. An environment is a container for apps and other resources, such as data connection and flows from Power Automate. By setting our apps in these containers, we can group them based on our business requirements. There are several reasons to use environments, such as to separate app development by department. This way, each department can work in a different environment, segregating the apps and company data based on the existing needs. We can also justify the use of environments so that we can support an application lifecycle management. By separating environments, we can separate apps that are in development stages from those that have already been shared. We can also consider the use of a trial environment so that we can receive feedback from users before publishing the final app. And we also can take into account the use of separate environments to manage data access. This way, each environment can have its own source of business data. Other data connections are specific to an environment and can't be shared across environments. Environments are only important to the app creators and admins. When the app is shared, the users simply run the app and don't worry about what environment the app came from. To be able to create environments, you need to be admin. Let's go to the make.powerapps.com homepage. The information for our current environment is in the upper right corner of the page. Up until now, we have been working in the default environment. But after we are finished with this tutorial, we'll have a menu where we can choose an environment that is available to us. A quick side note, if you want to work with PowerApps environments, you need the PowerApps per app plan or a PowerApps per user plan. Select the gear icon near the upper right corner and then select Admin Center. You can also reach this console by going directly to admin.powerapps.com. In the PowerApps Admin Center, we are going to select New. On the New Environment dialog box, enter a name for the environment, its region, and environment type. Let's also select the option to create a database for this environment. Click Next. After that, we select the currency and language for the data that is stored in the database. Beware, it is not possible to change the currency or language after the database is created. And finally, we select Save. It might take a few minutes to create the database on the common data services. After the database is created, the new environment is available in the list of environments on the Environments page. We now have a new environment to work in. If we jump back to the make.powerapps.com console, we will see the entry in the Environments list. By default, you can access the environment in one of two ways, by either being the system admin, which has full permissions, or by being an environment maker, which can view all apps in the environment, create and work with the common data service. After creating the environment, let's see how we can manage it. To give a look at this, let's go to admin.powerapps.com. Next, we go to Environments and select the one that we just created. In this control panel, we can perform the usual expected tasks, such as edit or even delete the current environment. Let's just give a quick look to the security section. If we don't specify any security rule, anyone can access this environment. But in here we can select the security group that has been created previously to help restrict the access. On that note, we end today's video. Now you should be able to understand what an environment is, how to create and manage it. Thank you very much for watching and please join us next time for more OutPower tutorials. See you soon.